everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of September 17th to the 23rd in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We are going to be using this kit called Pumpkin Spice from my shop. A lot of Simply Gilded washi and the tools that I usually use. So I really wanted to use this kit because I kind of felt like it was very fall but still had that pastel vibe for like early September, where it wasn't too like the darker fall colors. So I thought this would be a very good kit for this week, and it's so pretty. I loved it so much. So I'm going to start off with whiting out the bottom washi, and I just did the top section where I'm going to put some washi tape on. Then I cut the bottom washi that came in the kit in half, and guys, I had so much trouble. I think my slice tool just needs like a new one because it didn't really cut super well, and I don't know if I just didn't press it hard enough or if I need a new one, but I ended up getting it to work in the end. So I'm just putting half of this down, and then I am going to put some Simply Gilded washi down on top of it to break it up. I love this orange washi, like it is so pretty. I think it's called Pumpkin, and I got it in the fall pre-sale, or maybe, like, I don't know if it was called the fall pre-sale, but it's one of the pre-sales anyways. And it was so pretty, and it matches the orange in this kit so good. I really liked it. So now I'm going to go in and put my full boxes down. Because there was Fashion Girl add-ons for this kit, I really want to use one, so I took the one with the darker brown hair in the corner for my quote box. I thought she was super cute up there. And then I wanted to take that double box and put it on the weekend because I just think that's the most sense in the way I plan. I just think that was easier. So now I'm just trying to decide where I want all the other boxes and which box I want to leave out because I used the Fashion Girl add-on. So I'm going to go in and put all the rest of the full boxes down and the glitter headers in the staggered pattern that I usually do, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have all of my full boxes and my glitter headers down, I'm going to go start in on my sidebar. I used this floral Simply Gilded washi to put underneath the Fashion Girl. I think the colors in the floral was just like the perfect colors for this kit, so I wanted to use it quite a bit. Then I took a half box from the kit to put my highlight for the week, and then some more Simply Gilded washi underneath that. Then I took a dinner's header from the kit along with a week sidebar sticker to mark my dinners for the week. And then underneath that I took an odds and ends header and a 3-heart checklist from the add-on sheet to just put some extra things in there. I really don't even know what to put at this bottom section because I am back planning. I don't know what to put in my sidebar. So if you guys back plan and you guys do something with your sidebar, put it in the comments down below because I'm super interested to hear what other people do. So moving on to Monday, I took an appointment label from the kit along with an alarm icon to mark that my daughter had piano in the morning. Then I took a laptop and a work script sticker. I always use these two. I really like how they look, and it's a very simple way to mark that I worked. So I just use that to mark that I worked that day. Usually it's printing and cutting, but it could be other things like websites and stuff. For this bottom half of the week, I took a piece of washi from the kit and the plan sticker to mark that I did some back planning. And then I took a half box from the kit with a house icon to mark that our friends came over for the evening. Then to fill in the bottom space, I just took a piece of skinny washi from the kit. Oh, I also wanted to add this new fall candle sticker because I took out a new fall candle and I didn't know where to put it, so I just put it on the top there with the washi and the glitter header. For Tuesday, I started the day with a preschool sticker because my kids have school that day. And I took a film sticker from the kit to mark that I edited my video. Then I took a quarter box from the kit with a laptop sticker to mark that I worked on websites in the morning. My kids alternate school, like my son goes in the morning and my daughter goes in the afternoon. So I do end up getting a lot of work done on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is what you'll see is most of my weeks. So to fill in that little extra space, I just took this heart washi from Simply Gilded. For the second half of the day, I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark I printed and cut. A glitter flag from the kit with a meal plan sticker from my shop to mark that I did the meal plan in the evening. And then took a scale sticker from my workout sheet to mark that I worked out at the gym. For Wednesday, I took a coffee sticker from my shop to mark that I took my kids with my friend to Tim Hortons to get smile cookies. It was super fun. Then I took a quarter box from the kit and a grocery shopping sticker from my shop to mark that I did my grocery shopping this day. I like to only go grocery shopping like once every 2 weeks, so it is like a big deal for me. I don't just go grocery shopping every single day like some people get to do, so it's a big deal for me to mark it. Then I took another laptop and work script sticker for that morning as well. Then I took a half box from the kit and an asterisk icon to mark that my sister came over in the evening. And then I wanted to use this car icon, but I want to break it up first with some Simply Gilded skinny washi. And then I put down the car icon to mark that I went to Walmart in the evening. Moving on to Thursday, I started again with a preschool sticker. My kids go twice a week, so I really want to mark those. And then I took some Simply Gilded washi. I have the hardest time with this floral washi, like it does not come off the roll easily, and some other ones just do, but it's fine, I get it to work in the end. Then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark working. So I wanted to put payday, so I took a quarter box from the kit and a money icon from the sheet and to mark payday. For the second half of the week, I took a half box from the kit and I layered that with a flag and a book icon, and I really like how this looks. I've used it a couple times before and I really like how that looks. And I used that to mark that it was Planner Club in the evening. Then I took some Simply Gilded washi again to separate that. I think this lace is quickly becoming one of my favorite washis ever. It's just so versatile in the way I plan. I love it. Then I took a TV icon to mark that me and my husband watched Big Bang Theory in the evening. We don't really watch them on TV. We never seem to catch up. So we always buy this season like when it comes out in the fall. So we bought the new season, so we binge watch it. On the Friday, I started my day with getting a speech therapy sticker from my shop to mark that my son went to speech, and then a quarter box from the kit. And I used this playground icon. I know it swings, but the colors I thought matched best to mark that we went to the indoor park. Our indoor park doesn't have swings, but again, I think the colors just looked so much better than the other ones. Then I'm taking some of the leftover bottom washi and I'm cutting it down and just kind of fixing up some of the areas that I had trouble with cutting. And I layered that with an eat out sticker to mark that we ate out that day. For the evening, I took a movie marquee from my shop to mark that my friend came over and we watched the movie Life of the Party. And because it was a girls' night, I took another half box from the kit and layered that with a girls' night sticker. I really like these girls' night stickers. I think they're so cute. For Saturday, I took an arrow sticker from the kit to mark that I went for breakfast with my mom and dad. It's kind of the thing we do every single Saturday. We go for breakfast. I really enjoy that. Then I took some Simply Gilded washi to separate that. I love the sea glass. I think the color of this blue is perfect with this kit. And then for the rest of the morning, I took a laptop and work script sticker to mark that I printed and cut that day. So then I took a quarter box from the kit and a lazy day sticker because I just kind of took the afternoon and the evening off that day and was just super lazy all day. Then I took some more of that floral washi. Again, you'll see I'm having so much trouble taking that off the roll. And then the last thing I did is I took a TV icon from my shop to mark that me and my husband once again watched The Big Bang Theory. For Sunday, I took a car icon from my shop to mark that we drove to the city. We went with some of our friends to go shopping in the morning, and then we ended up going to an escape room. It was so much fun, and it was just such a nice time to be able to spend with them and my husband and just kind of get away for the day. So I took a half box sticker and layered that again with a flag and a purse icon sticker to mark that we went shopping. Then I took another half box sticker with a heart icon to mark the escape room that we did. We did like a theme where it was like you had X amount of time before this like vaccine was released and you had to save the world. It was super fun. Then I took a glitter flag from the kit to mark that we went to Red Lobster for the evening. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and put my date covers on. So I'm just using the date squares from my shop that I always do just to put them on top of the date covers in the kit. I'm also going to use the flags for the top corners that come in the kit as well. These are always a little tricky to get off the paper because I think because there's so many cuts, I think it gets tricky. And somehow my numbers never seem to line up, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I missed so many weeks in back planning. So I'm just gonna go put these on now, and that is it for the plan with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!